Today we're going to see 5 things that I cannot live without in my house. Are you ready? Let's go. The first one is my coffee machine. I cannot live without it. You see, I drink coffee every day, and normally more than one. In the morning, I take my American coffee, and after I eat, an espresso. And I love this coffee machine. This was my coffee machine, my dream coffee machine for quite some time. Now I have it, and I can take the American coffee, the espresso, cappuccino, or hot water in it. We have the coffee there, and we just put the cup and press what we want. And just like that, I have a beautiful and tasteful coffee. Let's go to the next one. The next thing that I cannot live without, it's here in the living room. So let's check it out. Okay, at this point, you're probably already guessing what I'm talking about, or maybe not, but I'm talking about my standing desk. And I love this standing desk. It is a little bit quirky. It needs a little bit of oil, but let me tell you one thing. I got this bad boy on Amazon for, I believe, $99. So it has about 2 years now, and it works perfectly. I can sit on top of it, and it can raise me, and it's really, really steady for the size it has. So I love the standing desk. I use it really often. I'm not one of those people that buys a standing desk and then is seated all the time. I'm actually most of the time standing than seated. But yeah, this is a really good piece of furniture that everyone that works a long time in a computer, in front of a computer, should have. So if you are more than, I don't know, 5 hours in front of a computer in a desk, just buy one standing desk because it's life-changing and helps you a lot to continue to work without stopping. So I really love it. Still in the living room, we have another thing that I cannot live without. I have it for about 2-3 months, but has changed the way I use the living room. And when I'm on the PC with these huge windows, sometimes I have to do this. And it's actually really worth it to have blinds because they really manipulate the light in your room. So if you have the same problem as me, light sometimes. I love light. It's one of the best characteristics of this house, but sometimes it does a lot of reflection in my screen and I have to put the blinds down and I can manipulate the light as I want. So this is a must-have in any home. And if you have the opportunity, buy electric ones. You just have a solar panel outside that charges the battery and you don't have any worries about it. So these blinds were a sponsorship in another video and I stick with them because I really enjoy them. I'll leave a link down in the description below if you want to check the brand out. And yeah, go for it. For the same brand or another brand because it's worth it. I know, I do a lot of videos mention this bad boy, but I had to talk about it because I cannot live without this wardrobe. This wardrobe is really cool. I like it because it was really simple to assemble and it's huge and saves all our clothing and it's really, really practical. So this is the best wardrobe that I had. And if I change to another house, I'm probably going to or take this one with me or probably buy another one and build it in the house that I'm going to stay. Because this one is really a good piece of furniture. And if you're thinking about buying one, don't think twice, just plan it accordingly and go for it. The next one is in this side table and is this MagSafe charger because it's cheap, really practical, and I use it all the time, every night actually, to charge my phone. It doesn't have anything special. I just like it, the look of it, and does exactly what it says it does. So every day when I wake up, I'm sure that my phone has all the charge I need. So the next one is not a piece of furniture, is not a gadget, but I cannot live without it in this house because I use it all the time. I have it for about 5-6 years, and it's the most complete. This toolbox. So this toolbox has been with me for a long time, and I love it because in most of the projects, I don't need more than what's inside of this little box. And it has everything that I need. I'm not going to leave a link below because this is from a physical hardware shop, but you probably can find something similar to this. Take a screenshot of it to see what's inside. And if you have any box like this one, you probably 90% of the jobs you need to do at home, you don't need anything else than these tools. So yeah, these are the 5 things that I cannot live without in my house. Let me know in the comments below what you think about them. And if you have any questions, let me know as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.